I'm Janine Morris. As a yoga teacher and student, I am so excited that the weather is finally warming up so I can take my classes and practice outside. So today I'm going to share 3 tips to help you stay active and confident this spring. First, find an antiperspirant that works just as hard as you do. And for this, I'm loving Secret's new active collection. It's inspired by the fact that women feel like their best selves when they're working out. So Secret's research and development team spent over 2,000 hours of research developing the perfect formula to help block body odor. So it has a very smart technology. It actually traps body odor, locks it away, and replaces it with a fresh scent. Crucial for spring workouts. It comes in 3 scents: fresh, cool, and sport, and 3 different formulas: invisible spray, invisible solid, and a clear gel that all last up to 48 hours. You can find them at Target or Target.com. My second tip is make sure to schedule your workout. Take some time to actually put them in your calendar. After all, the business meeting, the conference call, and all the social plans you have in your calendar are important, but you're prioritizing self-care if you schedule your workout. And my final tip is to find a workout buddy. Having an accountability partner helps not only make sure you show up and don't quit, but it helps to push you because we all have a competitive spirit inside us. For more information, you can check out Target or Target.com to view the Secret collection, and you can get $1 off using your store loyalty card through the end of the month. For more information on coupons, you can visit pgeveryday.com, and just to learn more about the Secret Active collection in general, check out Secret.com.